Hi everyone, Guillaume here. In this video, I'd like to show you the multivariate regression analysis applied to political opinion polling data of California. And if you're wondering how I ended up with these results, well then I would suggest that you watch our other video, which shows you the end-to-end automated analysis process where I submit the original survey data and a few minutes later get to these results. So in order to get to our regression analyses, I'm going to use the search bar and I'm going to type regression in here. And what that will do is it will filter the results on all the regression analyses. And we have 16 of them here. So what that means is that for this opinion poll, for 16 of the responses, we've carried out a multivariate regression analysis using the demographic variables as independent variables to try and look for drivers of opinion. And it's sorted by relevance of the questions and the significance of the results. And so the first one we have here, the question is on the approval of Gavin Newsom from the Democratic Party. And what we're looking for is to what extent any of the demographic variables might have an effect on this opinion. And what we see here, using average marginal effect, we can see that males have a positive effect as opposed to females for this question. And looking at the negative effects, we have here age groups going from 25 to 29 all the way to 65 to 74. And what's really interesting is that you've got this increase in negative effect over age. So that's rather interesting. Some of the other demographic variables don't seem to have too much of a large effect on opinions. Okay, so that was the charts. You can look through each one of those for all the other questions. Another way to look at all the regression analyses is via the generated multivariate regression analysis Excel file, which basically contains all of the statistics in tables in the Excel file. So let's just have a look in there. And what we have here is on the first sheet a table of contents, and what that's giving us is our 16 regressions. So one for each dependent variable, and then we have some statistics. So we have the fit of the model and which model was applied, because we're actually applying two different types of regression analysis, either a linear one or a logistic one, depending on the type of the dependent variable. And then we have a link to each of the tables. And so this is the statistics behind this regression analysis for question 1. And we have all our statistics here and our average marginal effects, which allows us to estimate the effect of each of the demographic categories. Okay, so in this video I showed you the multivariate regression analysis applied to opinion polling data. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to get to know any of our other features, feel free to look at the other videos, and hopefully see you again soon. Thanks everyone. Bye.